What's going on, guys? It's Flash Jetson, and today we're diving deep into the world of entrepreneurship with a business idea that can be started with a significantly lower investment than most. Starting your own van courier business. Now you might be thinking, Flash, why a van courier business? Well, in this day and age, e-commerce is booming, and someone's got to get all those packages delivered, right? That's where you come in. We're talking about a business with low barriers to entry, flexible hours, and the potential to be your own boss. No more dreadful 9-to-5s, no more answering to a boss you might not even like. Just you, the open road, and the satisfaction of building a business from the ground up. Over the next few chapters, I'm going to break down everything you need to know to get your van courier business up and running. We'll cover everything from choosing the right van and getting the necessary insurance to finding clients and maximizing your profits. I'm talking about actionable advice you can use to start generating income, potentially even this week. So, whether you're looking for a side hustle to earn some extra cash or you're ready to take the plunge and become a full-time entrepreneur, this video is for you. Make sure you stick around until the end because I'm sharing some bonus tips that will give you a competitive edge in the courier industry. Let's get started. All right, let's kick things off by talking about the heart of your courier business, the van. This is the vehicle that will be the backbone of your operations, the workhorse that will carry your business forward. It's not just a mode of transportation, it's an essential tool that can make or break your efficiency and profitability. Choosing the right van is absolutely crucial, and it's a decision that shouldn't be taken lightly. There are many factors to consider, from the size and type of van to its fuel efficiency and maintenance costs. Each of these elements can significantly impact your bottom line. You need to think about this like you're investing in a rental property. You need something reliable, something that's going to generate income for you, and something that won't break the bank with maintenance costs. Regular maintenance is key to ensuring your van remains in top condition, minimizing downtime and unexpected repair expenses. The first thing to consider is the size of the van. The size will determine how much cargo you can carry and how easily you can navigate through urban areas. A van that's too large might be difficult to maneuver in tight city streets, while one that's too small might not meet your delivery needs. Now you might be tempted to go for the biggest van you can find, thinking you can fit more packages and make more deliveries. However, bigger isn't always better. A larger van can be more challenging to park and drive, especially in congested areas. While that might seem logical, it's not always the most practical or cost-effective approach, especially when you're first starting out. Alright, so you've got your van sorted. Now it's time to talk about the legal side of things. And no, I'm not talking about getting out of speeding tickets. We're talking about registering your business, a step that's absolutely crucial for protecting yourself and ensuring you're operating legally. Think of it like this. You wouldn't buy a house without getting the deed, right? Well, registering your business is like getting the deed to your entrepreneurial dreams. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Flash, registering a business sounds complicated and expensive. And while it's true that there are some legal processes involved, it's not as daunting or expensive as you might think, especially with all the resources available online these days. Plus, the peace of mind and legal protection it provides are priceless. Registering your business formally establishes your business as a separate legal entity, which is essential for protecting your personal assets. This means that if your business ever faces legal issues or financial difficulties, your personal assets, like your house or car, are protected. It's like building a firewall between your personal and business finances, shielding you from potential liabilities. Not only that, but registering your business also makes you look more professional and credible in the eyes of potential clients. It shows that you're serious about your business and that you're in it for the long haul. This can give you a competitive edge when bidding for contracts or seeking partnerships, as clients are more likely to trust a registered business over an unregistered one. So, you've got your van, you're all registered, ready to hit the road and start making some serious cash. But hold your horses for a second because we need to talk about insurance. Trust me, this is not something you want to skimp on. Imagine this. You're in the middle of a delivery, and boom, you get into an accident. Without proper insurance, you're looking at a financial nightmare. We're talking potential lawsuits, vehicle repair costs, medical bills, the works. And it's not just about protecting yourself. Good insurance also protects your customers' packages. If something happens to their goods while in your care, you'll be covered. Remember, in the delivery business, reputation is everything. Having the right insurance shows your clients that you're professional and reliable. So, before you even think about making your first delivery, do your research and get yourself properly insured. It's an investment that will save you a world of trouble down the line. Remember, in this business, it's all about minimizing risk and maximizing profit. Section 2. Types of insurance you'll need. Okay, so you've got your van, your paperwork is in order, and you're fully insured. Now comes the exciting part: finding work and getting those deliveries on the road. In today's digital age, online platforms are your best friend. Think of these platforms as your digital storefront, connecting you directly with potential customers. Some popular options include platforms like GoShare Dolly and Citizen Shipper. These platforms act as middlemen, connecting you with individuals and businesses looking for delivery services. Signing up is usually a breeze, often just requiring you to create a profile, list your services, and set your rates. They handle marketing and customer acquisition, making it super easy for you to start receiving delivery requests. But don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your online presence by signing up for multiple platforms. This increases your visibility and gives you access to a wider pool of potential clients. Remember, in the world of online platforms, the more visible you are, the more likely you are to get noticed and secure those lucrative delivery gigs. Alright, so you're all set to hit the road and start making deliveries. But before you do, let's talk about one of the most crucial aspects of your business: pricing your services strategically. Pricing isn't just about picking a number out of thin air. It's a careful balance between covering your costs, making a profit, and staying competitive in the market. You want to make sure you're charging enough to make a profit, but not so much that you price yourself out of the market. This requires a deep understanding of both your expenses and the competitive landscape. The first step is to do your homework and research your competition. Knowing what others are charging can give you a benchmark to start from. Check out the rates of other van courier businesses in your area, paying close attention to factors like distance, weight, and delivery speed. Are they offering any special services or guarantees that justify their prices? Are they charging by the mile, by the hour, or a flat rate for certain distances? Understanding these details can help you decide on the best pricing model for your own services. Understanding your competitors' pricing strategies will give you valuable insights into the local market and help you position your services competitively. This knowledge can be the difference between thriving and just surviving. Remember, knowledge is power, and in the business world, that knowledge can translate into higher profits. The more you know about your market, the better equipped you'll be to make informed pricing decisions. Section 2. Calculating your costs. Next, you need to calculate your costs. This includes everything from fuel and vehicle maintenance to insurance, marketing, and your own time. Every expense, no matter how small, adds up. This includes everything from fuel and vehicle maintenance to insurance, marketing, and your own time. Don't forget to factor in the cost of any tools or software you use to manage your business. Remember, your time is valuable. Whether you're driving, planning routes, or handling customer service, every hour you spend on your business has a cost. Don't undervalue your skills and the effort you put into your business. Your expertise and dedication are what set you apart from the competition. Once you have a clear understanding of your expenses, you can start determining your break-even point, the point at which your revenue covers all your costs. This is a crucial milestone for any business. This is crucial for setting a sustainable pricing structure that ensures profitability. Knowing your break-even point helps you set a baseline for your rates. It's also essential to factor in your desired profit margin. How much profit do you want to make on each delivery? This will vary depending on your business goals and market conditions. How much profit do you want to make on each delivery? Setting clear profit goals can help you stay focused and motivated. Remember, you're in business to make money, so don't be afraid to price your services accordingly. It's important to strike a balance between being competitive and ensuring your business is profitable. Section 3. Setting your rates. Now comes the part where you put it all together and set your rates. This is where your research and calculations come into play. You can choose to offer flat rates for specific distances or weight categories, or you can charge by the hour or mile. Each model has its pros and cons, so choose the one that aligns best with your business strategy. Experiment with different pricing models and see what works best for your business and your target market. Don't be afraid to make adjustments based on feedback and performance. Consider offering discounts for bulk orders, regular clients, or deliveries during off-peak hours. These incentives can attract more customers and boost your bottom line. They can also help you build long-term relationships with your clients. And don't be afraid to adjust your prices over time as needed. The market is always changing, and your pricing should reflect those changes. As your business grows and your costs fluctuate, you'll need to revisit your pricing structure to ensure you're still making a healthy profit. Regularly reviewing your prices can help you stay competitive and profitable. Remember, pricing your services strategically is an ongoing process, not a one-time event. It's something you'll need to revisit regularly as your business evolves. By staying informed, analyzing your costs, and adapting to market conditions, you can set prices that attract customers and keep your van courier business profitable for years to come. Keep learning, keep adapting, and your business will thrive. Alright, so you're doing well, business is booming, and you can barely keep up with all the deliveries yourself. That's fantastic. That means it's time to think about scaling. And one of the first things you'll want to consider is hiring drivers. Now I know what you're thinking, hiring means more expenses. And you're absolutely right. But it also means you can take on more deliveries, serve more customers, and ultimately, make more money. Think of it as an investment in the future of your business. When hiring drivers, you want to be strategic. Don't just hire the first person who walks through the door. Look for reliable, trustworthy individuals with clean driving records. Remember, they're representing your business out on the road. You can find potential drivers through online job boards, local classifieds, or even by putting the word out among your network. Make sure you have a solid hiring process in place, including interviews, background checks, and maybe even a test drive to assess their skills. Remember, a great team is key to scaling any business. Let's face it, fuel costs are the biggest pain point for anyone running a van courier business. It's a constant battle, and it can feel like you're always losing. They can fluctuate like crazy, eating into your profits and making it tough to budget effectively. One day, prices are manageable, and the next, they're through the roof. But don't worry, there are ways to navigate this challenge like a pro and keep those fuel expenses in check. It's all about being smart and strategic. First and foremost, prioritize fuel efficiency. This is the cornerstone of managing fuel costs. When choosing a van, pay close attention to its fuel economy. Look at the ratings and compare different models. Opting for a fuel-efficient model might cost a bit more upfront, but trust me, it'll save you a ton of money on gas in the long run. It's an investment that pays off. Next up, optimize your routes. This is another crucial aspect of managing fuel costs. Plan deliveries strategically to minimize mileage and avoid unnecessary detours. Every extra mile adds up. Use navigation apps that factor in traffic conditions and suggest the most fuel-efficient routes. These tools can be a game changer. Remember, every mile saved translates to money saved on fuel. It's a simple equation, but it makes a big difference. And here's a pro tip. Consider implementing a fuel surcharge. This can help you manage fluctuating costs. This means adding a small percentage to your delivery fees based on current fuel prices. It's a fair way to cover your costs. It helps you offset the impact of fluctuating fuel costs and ensures your pricing remains competitive. Customers understand that fuel prices affect everyone. Section 2. Handling difficult customers. This is another common challenge in the courier business. Listen, dealing with customers is part of any business, and let's be real, not all customers are created equal. Some are easy to please, while others can be quite challenging. You're bound to encounter a few difficult ones along the way. It's inevitable. But the key is to handle them professionally and turn those negative experiences into opportunities for growth. Every challenge is a chance to improve. First and foremost, remember the golden rule of customer service. Always remain calm and composed, even if the customer is being unreasonable. Your demeanor sets the tone. Take a deep breath, listen attentively to their concerns, and try to see things from their perspective. Empathy goes a long way. Next, acknowledge their frustrations and empathize with their situation. Show them that you care. Even if you don't agree with them, a simple, "I understand your frustration" can go a long way in diffusing the situation. It's about making them feel heard. Remember, it's not about being right or wrong. It's about finding a solution. Focus on resolving the issue. And if a customer is being particularly difficult, don't be afraid to set boundaries. It's important to protect your team and your business. Politely but firmly explain your company's policies and procedures. Clarity can prevent misunderstandings. Remember, you deserve to be treated with respect, and sometimes that means walking away from a customer who's being abusive or unreasonable. Your well-being matters. Section 3. Dealing with competition. The courier business can be competitive, especially in densely populated areas. You're going to have other companies vying for the same customers, and that can be a challenge. It's a crowded market, but don't let it discourage you. Competition can be a good thing. Instead, use it as motivation to step up your game and stand out from the crowd. Let it drive you to be better. One way to differentiate yourself is by providing exceptional customer service. This can set you apart. Go above and beyond to exceed your customers' expectations. Make them feel valued. Offer personalized attention, communicate proactively, and always strive to make their experience as smooth as possible. Little touches make a big difference. Another strategy is to focus on a niche market. Specialization can be a powerful differentiator. This could be anything from specializing in legal document delivery to offering eco-friendly courier services. Find your niche. By carving out a niche, you're positioning yourself as an expert in a particular area, attracting a specific target audience. Expertise builds trust. And of course, don't underestimate the power of marketing. It's essential for growth. Use social media, local advertising, and even word-of-mouth referrals to get your name out there. Visibility is key. Highlight your unique selling propositions and let potential customers know why they should choose you over the competition. Make your strengths known. By addressing these common challenges head-on and implementing these strategies, you can navigate the complexities of the courier business with confidence and success. And there you have it, a complete step-by-step guide to starting your van courier business. We've covered everything from choosing the right van and securing insurance to finding work, pricing your services, and even scaling your business for growth. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more business tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Your feedback is valuable and helps me create even better content for you. Now go out there and start your business today. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It takes hard work, dedication, and a willingness to learn and adapt. But with the right mindset and the information you've gained from this video, you're well on your way to building a successful and profitable van courier business. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment for more business insights. See you in the next video.